In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful books ever written, Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. Viktor E. Frankl's Man's Search for Meaning explores the human capacity for purpose and meaning, focusing on his personal account of surviving Nazi concentration camps and his logotherapy psychological framework. The book is divided into two sections. Section 1, Frankl's personal story. Frankl's account of his time in Auschwitz and other concentration camps during World War II highlights the harsh conditions, loss of family, and despair faced by prisoners. His survival was attributed to his pursuit of meaning, which he found essential for resilience. Despite the suffering, some prisoners found meaning in their suffering, such as his desire to reunite with his wife. Section 2, Logotherapy, the search for meaning. Frankl's logotherapy is a therapeutic approach that emphasizes the pursuit of meaning over pleasure or power. It focuses on three main tenets: freedom of choice, meaning in suffering, and the importance of a future goal. Freedom of choice is central to human dignity, while a constructive attitude can make suffering meaningful. A goal provides direction and meaning in life. Here are 7 key insights from the book. 1. The importance of finding meaning. Frankl posits that human motivation is not pleasure or power, but the search for meaning, which is crucial for mental health and resilience. 2. Suffering can have meaning. The book highlights that suffering can hold meaning if viewed purposefully, as Frankl's experience in concentration camps demonstrated. Finding meaning in suffering through spirituality, personal goals, or helping others is crucial. 3. The power of choice. Frankl emphasizes the importance of personal responsibility in shaping our responses to life's challenges, highlighting the freedom to choose our attitude even in oppressive conditions. 4. Existential vacuum. Frankl's existential vacuum refers to the emptiness and lack of meaning experienced by many in modern society, often leading to anxiety, depression, and aimlessness when unfulfilled. 5. Meaning can be found in everyday life. Frankl suggests that meaning in life can be found in everyday acts of kindness, personal growth, and relationships, providing profound significance in life. 6. The will to meaning. Frankl's will to meaning theory suggests that human life's primary drive is to find meaning, distinguishing humans from animals, and that psychological well-being is directly linked to this drive. 7. The role of love in finding meaning. Frankl emphasizes the importance of love in finding meaning, citing his own experience of loving his wife during concentration camps, which helped him overcome hardship and find purpose in difficult situations. To conclude, Man's Search for Meaning is a transformative book that explores the nature of life, suffering, and the human capacity for resilience. Through Frankl's personal experiences and logotherapy, it offers profound insights into finding purpose in difficult circumstances. The book is essential for understanding human resilience and the power of purpose, offering wisdom and a new perspective on life for those navigating personal struggles or seeking deeper fulfillment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Charming Volume for more impactful book reviews and personal development content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.